a vibrant and bustling forest, a clever crow lived. This crow was known for its intelligence and problem-solving skills. On a hot and sunny day, the crow became extremely thirsty. It had been flying for hours without finding any water. The crow searched the forest for a stream, river, or puddle, but found only dry land. Its throat was parched, and the scorching heat weakened it. Eventually, the crow spotted an earthen pot with a little water inside. However, the water was too low for the crow to reach with its beak. The crow had an idea when it noticed some small pebbles around the pot. It started picking up pebbles one by one and dropping them into the pot. With each pebble, the water level rose. After dropping several pebbles, the crow was finally able to take a drink and quench its thirst. The crow felt relieved and proud of its clever solution. As it flew away, it realized the importance of using intelligence and resourcefulness to overcome challenges. The crow also understood the value of helping others and sharing knowledge.